This is the unboxing of the Anker 511 charger, which is called the Nano 3 with 30 watt output in black color. This is the charger which also has a GAN inside, so it should be smaller than the usual charger size. It's about 30% less than the equivalent Apple 30 watt charger, thanks to the GAN. And it also should be lighter and smaller. So let's unpack it. It's a basic packaging without any pictures on it. It just says Series 5. But they don't include the name Nano 3 on the front. This is the UK version, so it will have the 3 prongs, and right out of the box I can tell that the charger is really tiny. And this is a 30 watt charger. It's really much smaller than the Apple 30 watt charger, and if it wouldn't be for the 3 prongs it would be even smaller. So this is for the USB-C. It also has IQ technology, and I'll use it to charge the Anker Power Core Essential 20K power bank. However, you also can use it to charge any USB-C device like the new iPhones or any Android device which uses USB-C, and this is also a fast charger. 30 watt Nano 3 Anker 511 model A2147. Input is 100 to 240 volts or 10 ampere at 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 3 ampere. Anker Innovations Limited, made in China. It has a few safety marks as well as the European and UK standards. They have this also in white color, but I choose the black one. So that was the unboxing of the Anker Nano 3 30 watt charger. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.